Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog training books that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have The Art of Raising a Puppy. Considered as one of the leading authorities in puppy training books, the monks of New Skete truly have an uncanny way of communicating the essentials of dog training. They've been sharing their expertise on the man-dog relationship, canine behavior, and dog training for more than 3 decades. Their book The Art of Raising a Puppy is considered as one of the most authoritative, albeit written in a very fun and entertaining way, literature when it comes to raising pups. This is important since all of the foundational elements can be found in puppyhood. Moving on at number 4, we have the Zach George's Dog Training Revolution. Some canine training books only teach you certain aspects of the endeavor such as clicker training and other things. The Zach George's Dog Training Revolution, the complete guide to raising the perfect pet with love, on the other hand, gives you all the essentials you'll need to become a better pet parent. This How to Train Your Dog book talks about everything from picking the right puppy to add to your family, house training your pup and engaging it in basic obedience training, and even managing certain doggy behavioral issues like nuisance barking, jumping up, leash pulling, chewing, biting, aggression, and many more. At number 3, we have the step-by-step activities to engage. Don't you just adore pooches that know how to operate the TV remote control or even open the ref door to get the food it wants? Well, if you keep on reading one of the best-rated dog training book in the market, The 101 Dog Tricks, step-by-step activities to engage, challenge, and bond with your dog, you might also be successful in making your doggy perform a trick that no other canine member can. This New York Times bestseller penned by Sundance and Cal C is every beginner's guidebook to canine training, complete with colorful images that depict the easy-to-follow step-by-step instructions. It's like dog training for dummies, except that this one is written in a more authoritative manner worthy of being translated into 18 different languages. It's all about keeping and strengthening that bond that exists between you and your pooch through unique and fun activities. At number 2, we have the A 5-week program using. It is for this reason that we believe Kay and Staszewicz is training the best dog ever. A 5-week program using the power of positive reinforcement rightfully deserves to be included in the list of the best dog obedience training books. Training the best dog ever is for pet parents who believe that their dogs have just about the same rights as any other member of the family, longing for care, love, affection, and kindness. Cruelty has no room in this kind of training. Any form of punishment is considered counterproductive. The TBDE was written to emphasize the importance of building trust and how a simple doggy treat can be used to win this trust. It talks about bonding, not reprimanding or yanking on the leash. Kay and Staszewicz provides a detailed guide on how a simple training program accomplished 10 to 20 minutes a day can cement the long-lasting friendship that have come to epitomize the dog as man's best friend. And finally at number 1, we have the Train Your Dog in 7 Days. Sometimes you don't need to train your pooch the highly advanced stuff. What they only need to learn are the few fundamental commands that will keep them safe, secure, and happy. And for that, Brandon McMillan's Lucky Dog Lessons, Train Your Dog in 7 Days can be a very valuable resource. This How to Train Your Dog book introduces pet parents to McMillan's 7 common commands that all dogs can master within 7 days. It doesn't really matter how deeply troubled your pooch is, as McMillan guarantees the 7 days methodology will work. Each command is presented in a very easy-to-follow manner, complete with illustrations and images to further drive home the point. The basics of establishing trust, control, and focus are also provided in this best-rated dog training book.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon